Her eyes twinkled like, is it stairs for the triangle in red, or is it stars for the diamond in blue? He is as quick as a cheetah for the triangle, or a fish for the diamond. The dancer was like a swan for the red triangle, or an eagle for the blue diamond. The silly child is like a clown for the triangle in red, or a student in the diamond in blue. She is as loud as a monkey for the triangle in red, or a fish for the diamond in blue. The sun was like an iceberg for the triangle in red, or a blanket for the diamond in blue. From the airplane way up high, the cars look like giants for the triangle in red, or ants for the diamond in blue. My friends are like family for the triangle in red, or strangers for the diamond in blue. The trees are green like a stop sign for the triangle in red, or emeralds for the diamond in blue. She runs like the wind for the triangle in red, or a sloth for the diamond in blue. He swims like a fish for the triangle in red, or a gorilla for the diamond in blue. She is as busy as a bee for the triangle, or pin for the diamond. The orange was as sweet as mud for the triangle in red, carrots for the diamond in blue, or candy for the circle in yellow. She was as slow as a tortoise for the triangle in red, or a hare for the diamond in blue. Last one, you're doing amazing. He was as fast as a pillow for the triangle in red, lightning for the diamond in blue, or a chair for the circle in yellow. Good job.